Now we need to find the value of n here, right? So what we can do here we have two equation. We can think like simultaneous equation, and yeah, I will use substitution method. That's the method come to my mind. But I can make here y has subject, and then this y I can replace with that, right? Let's you try to make here y has subject, and that value then we will get y equal something. No, that is substitute to here, and let's see try to simplify, right? Okay, now here first of all I need to remove this cube root. Here we have cube root. No, this is cube root. So to remove that I need to put a cube here, right, like this. Then this cube root to cube cut. Then to remove this square I need to put square root here, right, like this. Both side I need to put here when I put cube I need to put this side also cube, right? In the equation if you put something, cube root here, to remove I put here cube. No, so this same way in this side also I need to put cube, and same time same like that, if you need to remove this square you need to put square root here, then you need to put again square root here, right? And then this square to square root cut. Okay, now we have here only y. Right, now the thing is here now little complicated. Try to understand here we have sixth root, this way sixth root, and then cube, and then square root. Okay, now you know this sixth root, that means this way when you have sixth root we can write 1 over 6, right? This we remove this sign, this radical sign, this one, and then we can put for that this way, or the 1 over 6 sixth root. Okay, then here this index is this cube. No, we can put 3, and then here square root. No, square root mean again 1 over 2, right? We write in same method, but we not use this sign, this radical sign, this sign we put like with numbers this way, has an index. So here here we have sixth root, so I put 1 over 6, and then here cube, so 3, and then into square root mean 1 over 2. Okay, now we can simplify this thing, this index. So how many 3 are there in 3? 1. How many 3 are there in 6? Is 2. So here you will get y equal for the x, and here numerator has 1 into 1 1 1 into 1 1, like that one, and here 2 into 2 4. Okay, like this. Then now you can say here y equal to this. No, y equal to this, so that's why this y I can replace with this, right? So let's do it. This y, for this y I will write this, but the x 1 over 4, and here we have n like this, right? Then again even here actually same time I can do it, but anyway, now here nth root. No, we don't know what the number here n represent, we need to find it, but we can put here still here nth root, that means 1 over n. Whatever root they ask doesn't matter, we can put like this way. One, if you we did know here when you have here 3 cube root, and sorry here sixth root I put 1 over 6, like that I can put here when you have nth root 1 over n. Okay, now we know this thing, but we have here same base, here x, here also x, and we have equal sign here, so that's why definitely this index must be equal to this. By comparison, if you compare like this two, then if this two both same, no, x, here also x, and equal sign, so this index must be equal to this. So you can write 1 over 4 equal 1 over n, right? To find n now you can use the cross multiplication. So n into 1 n, 4 into 1 4, so n value equal to 4, n is 4.